Monolith Visa Card Review. The Monolith Visa Card is a specialized crypto debit card, with a focus on the Ethereum ecosystem. Much like other popular crypto debit cards, the Monolith Visa Card comes with its own proprietary token, known as the Monolith Token, TKN. While other Bitcoin debit cards force their users to hold a proprietary token to access better benefits and rewards, this is not the case with the Monolith Visa Card. Instead, the token is used to pay out some of the fees associated with the Monolith app. While this crypto prepaid card lacks the rewards and benefits of some of the other cards on the market, it may be a great option for someone who wants to remain within the Ethereum ecosystem. Pros: does not require users to give custody of their crypto assets to a third-party custodian. Proprietary token is used with the Monolith Visa Card in a mostly non-intrusive manner. Transparent fee structure. Instant updates on card transactions within the Monolith app. Exchange tokens via a DEX aggregator with no added fees. Fees can be low with a workaround. Cons: only works with Ethereum-based tokens. 1.75% fee on all spending transactions for the British pound (GBP) version of the card when making euro-denominated purchases. Card top-ups made in coins other than TKN or DAI come with a 2% fee. Currently only available in 31 countries. Not available in the United States. No benefits or rewards. What is the Monolith Visa Card? The Monolith Visa Card is a key card of the Monolith mobile app. The crypto debt card is focused on the Ethereum network, and all of the crypto tokens supported by the card are part of the overall Ethereum ecosystem. This cryptocurrency debit card also has its own proprietary token called TKN. This token can be used to gain access to some of the fees users are charged when using the Monolith Visa Card, namely the fees for topping up the card with a token other than TKN. The company behind Monolith is registered in England and Wales, and their crypto debit card offering is currently available in Europe and the United Kingdom. What are the benefits of the Monolith Visa Card? There are no outright benefits of cashback rewards to consider when it comes to the Monolith Visa Card. Having said that, this should not be viewed as a deal breaker. After all, many of the crypto cards with the highest rewards, such as the Crypto.com Visa Card, are powered by forcing their users into speculating on the price of a proprietary token associated with the card. While Monolith also has their own token in the form of TKN, it's not required to use Monolith's services. Outside of traditional cashback rewards, there are still some benefits to using the Monolith Visa Card. For example, there are no fees associated with transferring back and forth between different tokens. Users are able to gain access to the market rate, available on a variety of decentralized exchange platforms. Perhaps most importantly, Monolith does not require that their users hand over custody of their crypto assets to a third-party custodian. Users are able to retain control over their own private keys, while funds are held in the Monolith app. Potential Monolith Visa Card Dealbreakers. There are 4 potential dealbreakers to worry about with the Monolith Visa Card: lack of availability, lack of Bitcoin support, relatively high fees for top-ups made via tokens other than TKN or DAI, and lack of cashback rewards. Currently, the Monolith Visa Card is only available in 31 countries around Europe and the United Kingdom. While this is still a large market, it leaves potential users in 5 continents out in the cold. Citizens of the United States, Mexico, Argentina, Venezuela, and many other countries with plenty of crypto users cannot use this cryptocurrency debit card at this time. The lack of Bitcoin support will also be a deal breaker for many potential users. Bitcoin is by far the most popular cryptocurrency in the world, so anyone who is mostly interested in spending their Bitcoin for now should look elsewhere. It should be noted that Bitcoin-backed Ethereum tokens have started to gain a bit of popularity in 2020, so Monolith may eventually decide to support one of these tokens. There is also the issue of some tokens being more equal than others on the Monolith platform. While there are no fees for card top-ups made via TKN, and a 1% fee for top-ups made via DAI, the reality is the vast majority of cryptocurrency users don't use these two specific tokens. Monolith Visa card top-ups, made with any other token, come with 2% fees, although users may be able to avoid most of these fees by simply converting their preferred tokens for TKN before depositing them into the Monolith app. That said, many users won't be interested in going the extra mile to avoid these fees. Finally, another deal-breaker with the Monolith Visa card for some people will be the lack of cashback rewards and other benefits. Having said that, these sorts of rewards are hard to come by in the crypto debit card space, without being forced to hold a proprietary token related to the card issuer's platform. Is the Monolith Visa card right for me? The Monolith Visa card could be the right option for someone who is based in Europe or the United Kingdom and is mostly interested in the Ethereum sector of the overall cryptocurrency ecosystem. The fees on the Monolith Visa card can actually be quite low if the user is smart about how they are using it. For example, a cardholder with a euro version of the card faces no fees when using the card to purchase something denominated in euros from a merchant. This user also gets 2 free cash withdrawals from domestic ATMs per month. While there is a 1% fee for adding non-TKN tokens to the Monolith platform, the user could get around this fee by converting their other Ethereum-based tokens to TKN before topping up their Monolith Visa card. Of course, there would still likely be a fee that the user would need to pay to be able to exchange their ETH, DAI, or other Ethereum-based token to TKN. However, this fee on an exchange is likely to be lower than the 1% fee in the Monolith app.